Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everyone. My name is Muslimin from the Instrumentation and Automation Engineering program. In this video, I'm going to explain Module 6 practical session, which is about the use of proximity sensor in pneumatic system. The goals of this experiment are: number one, to understand how inductive and capacitive proximity sensor work. Two, apply this sensor in controlling pneumatic actuator through a PLC. Number 3, and to preach reading, analyzing, and design ladder diagram for automation system. First, let's start with the question: what is a proximity sensor? A proximity sensor is a type of that can detect the presence of an object without physical contact. These sensors are widely used in industrial automation. For example, to detect the position of part count product or add as non-contact limit switches. 3 are several types of proximity sensor. But in this practical module, we will focus on two main tips. Number 1, introduce proximity sensor, and number 2, capacitive proximity sensor. And inductive proximity and electromagnetic field at the sensor tips. When a metal object enters this field, the introduced changes, and the sensor output an electrical signal to indicate detection. A common industrial example is found in pneumatic system, where inductive sensors are installed at the end of pneumatic cylinder to detect the position of the piston. When the piston moves forward or backward, the sensor detects it and sends a signal to the PLC, which control the valve or the next process step. Advanced high accuracy and quick response for metallic target. Durable and content-free operation. Disadvantages: It can only detect metal objects. The capacitive proximity sensor works differently. It can detect both metallic and non-metallic objects, such as wood, plastic, glass, or even liquids. Each apparatus by creating a capacitive field around the sensor. When an object with a different dielectric constant enter the field, the capacitance change trigger the sensor the output a signal. Some practical applications include level detection for powder of liquid in containers, or detecting plastic packaging on conveyor lines. Advanced can detecting plastic packaging on conveyor lines can detect a wider range of material. Disadvantage: it's more sensitive to humidity and environment conditions. When a piston reaches a certain position, the proximity sensor detects it and sends a signal to the PLC. Then the PLC activates or deactivates the solenoid valve to control the airflow direction, allowing the actuator to move in controlled sequence. With this setup, we can build a fully automated pneumatic automation system such as a pusher filling machine or automatic packaging lines. Now, let's move on to the main part of this practical module, the PLC ladder diagram. In the PLC board we design and logic circuit, one proximity sensor as input and solenoid valve as output. Here a simple logic example. When sensor A detects the piston is at the starting position, the PLC actives solenoid to move the piston forward. When sensor B detects the piston at the end position, the PLC detection solenoid set number 1 and activates solenoid number 2 to direct set the piston. In the ladder diagram, each sensor acts an X actuator input control anomaly, normally open or normally closed, on each solenoid coil as an output actuator. With this logic, the system can repeat automation back and forth with human interface. Ini demonstrasi Pak RT let's the PLC trainer setup. The setup usually includes the PLC module, for example, Siemens of Omron input terminal connected to the proximity sensor, output terminal contact the solenoid valve, power supply the pneumatic actuator. Now let's see how it works. When the metal object appreciates the include sensor, the indicator light and tone of solving the signal is being sent to the PLC. The PLC then activates the solenoid valve when moved the pneumatic cylinder according the fragment welder. Now let's see it works. When a metal object appears in the sensor, the indicator light turns on, showing that a signal being sent to the PLC. The PLC then activates the solenoid valve which moves the pneumatic cylinder according to the program. Alright, that's all for this practical session on proximity session of the pneumatic system. From the assignment, we had that proximity sensor and accessibility industrial automation because the data object with record interface semangat sensor airbus of metallic detection, while capacitive sensor can detect both metallic and non-metallic object. Integration sensor with PLC and pneumatic actuator atau allow us the wide automation different and reliability system. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my education content the Muslimin Forum the Instrumentation Automation Engineering. And catch you next participation session selanjutnya.